Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Victus actually has RGB keys. Some models only offer white backlight. Once confirmed, install or update Omen Gaming Hub or HP Command Center and launch it. In the app, navigate directly to the lighting or keyboard section so you can change colors now. This first step puts you into the control panel where zones and presets are visible. Make sure the keyboard device is selected so subsequent changes apply to the correct hardware. Once in lighting, pick the mode you need. Per zone for broad areas, per key for granular control, or a preset for quick results. You then select colors from the palette or enter RGB values, adjust speed and direction for animated effects, and set brightness between 0 and 100%. Create a profile, give it a clear name, and save it to a local or cloud slot so you can recall it. This step configures how and why the keyboard will look and behave during use. Apply the saved profile and try typing, or use the app's test utility to confirm each key shows the intended color. Once done, enable the app to auto-start with Windows or export the profile so lighting restores after reboot. If colors don't apply, reinstall the keyboard driver, update firmware and Windows, or reinstall Omen/Command Center. Sometimes a clean app reinstall fixes settings corruption. If the keyboard still won't change color, verify your specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.